Okay, team, the segments are staged exactly as planned here.
Confirmed. We'll start with section B as soon as the crane is clear.
We are aligned on the port side, ready for final descent.
Copy that. Easing tension now.
All right, start the tension now.
Engaging the hydraulics. Maintain steady force.
Gauge reading is increasing rapidly. It's stabilizing now. Record the current extension rate. Noted. Everything looks secure.
Keep it steady, watch the lines.
Rolling forward, clear the left side.
The temperature differential on this lane seems high. It's within the acceptable range, but let's monitor the next pass.
All right, lower the next one. Watch the alignment. Coming down slowly.
If we reroute traffic here, we can cut down transit times by 15%. The system confirms that projection. It's ready for execution.
All right, secure the base on the right. Tightening the bolts now.
All right, crews, let's move and sync.
Copy that. Proceeding to Bay 3. Equipment secured.
System checks are green across the board. The migration process is proceeding exactly as planned.
Alert level red, Sector 4. Confirming protocols initiated. Team B, status check on the firewall breach now.
Look at the amplitude on channel 3.
Yeah.
It's exceeding the threshold again.
We need to adjust the dampening coefficient.
Based on these charts, the performance metrics are holding steady under load.
Watch your stuff.
The team agrees. We are clear to deploy. Synchronization is instant. All screens are live.
Confirmed. We have incoming data streams on the central monitor.
Evacuate the vehicle immediately.
Fire suppression team advance.
All clear on the left side.
Precision alignment holding at 99.8%.
Safety parameters nominal. Good to proceed.